Hi guys, good morning sa ating lahat. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga tips bago kayo bumili ng second hand car, no? Kasi guys, nung binili namin yung second hand car guys, is yung kilometers ng sasakyan is binago po nila ang kilometers ng sasakyan. At tinaasan po nila yung
Oh my God!
Kasi dito daw sa lugar nila is based daw sa kilometers yung price ng second hand car, right? No, I was talking about the kilometers of the car, because if the kilometers of the car is too much, like 200,000, people will not buy.
Yeah, people don't like buy.
Don't like buy. So, when we buy the second hand car, the kilometers of the car is only 74,541 in the record of the car, because you will see the kilometers in front of the driving seat. Nandun siya. So, when my husband put down the mirror of the car, because when you feel hot and have sun inside your car, when you are driving, have glass, have mirror up there in the car, so you will put it down, no? When my husband put it down, guys, nakita niya doon ang isang papel. My husband see one paper and everything record there. The kilometers, the real kilometers of the car is there, guys. So, nasa papel talaga siya. So, the real kilometers of the car that we buy before is 193,600. This is the mistake of those people working there in the in the office, no? So they change it, guys, no? I don't know why of the car. I don't know what is the reason. Just only to sell fast. To sell the second hand fast, guys, no?
For buy for cheap price and for sell for price more up.
Oh. So, kasi guys, they are using equipment to change the kilometers of the car, no? And ito yung masama, no? Kasi guys, ang totoong kilometer ng car is 193,000. So, niles nila ng 74,000 para maibenta nila sa amin ng mahal at fast. So, alam nyo ba yung company na yun? Huwag kayong bibili doon, guys, no? Kasi, ang sama ng ugali ng may-ari. Kasi, nung nalaman ng asawa ko na binago nila yung kilometers ng sasakyan, kinausap niya yung may-ari, tapos yung may-ari, siya pa yung may ganang magalit sa kanya. Sila na nga yung nagkamali, no? So, ayan guys, pag bumibili kayo ng second hand car, guys, talagang tinatasan nila yung price, tapos chine-change pa nila yung kilometers. Yung totoong kilometers ng sasakyan, guys, is binabago nila para maibenta nila ng madali sa inyo at para maibenta nila ng sobrang mahal.